Recovering from a chronic illness is a complex and multifaceted process that requires a comprehensive approach. While some chronic illnesses may not be completely curable, many people are able to manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life. Understanding chronic illness. Chronic illnesses are long-term conditions that often require ongoing medical care and can impact daily life. They can be characterized by complex causes, multiple risk factors, and a long latency period between onset and symptoms. Common chronic illnesses include heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Factors affecting recovery. Several factors can influence recovery from a chronic illness, including disease severity. The severity of the illness can impact the likelihood of recovery. Treatment effectiveness. The effectiveness of treatment can significantly impact recovery. Lifestyle changes. Making healthy lifestyle changes, such as eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly, can support recovery. Mental health. Mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety, can impact recovery. Strategies for recovery. Several strategies can support recovery from a chronic illness, including squared. Seeking professional help. Working with healthcare professionals, such as doctors, therapists, and counselors, can provide valuable support and guidance. Building a support network. Connecting with family, friends, and support groups can help individuals cope with the emotional and practical challenges of chronic illness. Practicing self-care. Engaging in activities that promote relaxation and stress reduction, such as meditation and yoga, can help manage symptoms. Making lifestyle changes. Making healthy lifestyle changes, such as quitting smoking and exercising regularly, can support recovery. Tools for healing. Some additional tools that can support recovery from chronic illness include cubed mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help individuals develop a greater sense of awareness and acceptance of their body and symptoms. Curiosity. Approaching symptoms with curiosity can help individuals better understand their body and develop more effective coping strategies. Titration. Gradually increasing activity levels and pacing oneself can help manage symptoms and prevent exacerbations. Resourcing. Engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation can help individuals build resilience and cope with stress. Conclusion. Recovering from a chronic illness requires a comprehensive approach that incorporates medical treatment, lifestyle changes, and emotional support. While some chronic illnesses may not be completely curable, many people are able to manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life. By understanding the factors that influence recovery and using strategies such as seeking professional help, building a support network, practicing self-care, and making lifestyle changes, individuals can take an active role in their recovery.